Imagine waking up one morning and there are no police, no soldiers, no security guards around us. Who would keep us safe? Who would protect our country? Sounds scary, right? Well, let's find out how our Indian forces make sure we feel proud and safe every day. Today we will learn the structure and key facts about the Indian Armed Forces and Police, the important dates and ranks associated with them, the significance of our forces in keeping India safe and strong. Our Indian Armed Forces are like superheroes. They protect us from enemies and make sure our borders are safe. The Indian Armed Forces have 3 wings. Army protects us on land. Navy guards us in the seas. Air Force protects our skies. The head of these forces is the President of India. The Indian Army's headquarters is in New Delhi. The Army is divided into 6 operational commands and 1 training command. The Indian Air Force was officially started on 8th October 1932. Did you know? India has the 2nd largest military force in the world. Why do we need 3 separate forces? Army, Navy, and Air Force. Think about it. But inside the country, we also need someone to maintain law and order. That's where our police and Central Armed Police Forces come in. The police wear white uniforms and protect us within the country. The Director General of Police, DGP, is the highest ranking officer in each state or union territory. The largest police force is in Uttar Pradesh. There are 7 security forces under the CAPF who protect important places like metro stations. CAPF stands for Central Armed Police Forces. Fun fact: INS Vikrant is India's first indigenously made aircraft carrier. Isn't that cool? Who is the highest police officer in Indian states? Can you tell? So now you know, if the country was ruled only by the army, there would be strict rules everywhere. That's why we have a balance. The army protects us from outside, and the police keep peace inside. What do you think would happen if there were no CAPF guarding metro stations? How would people feel? Our Indian forces, Army, Navy, Air Force, Police, and CAPF are the brave hearts who ensure we sleep peacefully at night. Now let's reflect on this. Why do you think having both the police and army is important for a country like India? Thank you for watching. See you in the next class.